Hi, this is the Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how the face unlock test on this device. So I just suggest my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.